Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get Midjourney 1 month free pack for students. $0 month. With all the features and no limits. A feature not available to everyone, but I will show you the secret at the end of the video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney for free without any subscriptions or fake email addresses. We'll explore a native method that grants access to features not available to everyone. If you've hit your limit of 25 free queries on Midjourney and can't create more art or images with your Discord account, don't worry. I've got an easy step-by-step process that will allow you to generate unlimited queries and stunning graphics. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing AI tips, tricks, and ways to earn with AI. Go to midjourney.com/account. Or log into the Midjourney website and click on your name and then Manage Subscription from the sidebar. Midjourney offers 4 subscription tiers: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega. See the chart below for a comparison of plan features. For unlimited image generations with Relax mode, subscribe to the Standard, Pro, or Mega plan. Stealth mode, which keeps your images private, is only available on the Pro and Mega plans. The Basic plan gives you a set number of hours and no access to Relax mode. The Standard plan gives you an unlimited number of hours in Relax mode and limited hours in Fast mode. I will show you the exclusive method that students use. Right-click anywhere on the web page, and at the very bottom of the menu that pops up, click Inspect. You should focus. These are the most important steps. After you choose Performance, go down to Console. Copy the codes in this place, then press Enter. You will find all the codes in the description. Waiting for the page to load. Now, let's exit the Inspect element. As you can see, we have accessed the Developer and Student feature using this script, which they hide from you. We have got the Student feature for free without any subscription or spam or fake emails. Congratulations! This way, you will not pay in the future any subscription. Thank you for watching. Bye.